Oh, somebody will be removed. Okay, let's back to here. So we do some preprocessing here, right? We have know the detail of the data set, use the import function, and also we interpolate missing value, use the where function, and define the categorical variable, use the mode function with the statistic package, and use the numpy to do the non-mean and the non-median functions with numpy. So we have already mentioned this part. And also we can directly delete the missing value or the column. Okay. So finally, we find the bank data will just like this. Yeah, just like this. Replace just like this. Okay. And in place equal true, it means well replace, will not do save as a new file. And in place equal false is the default. It means you will have a new file, data frame. No, we don't have to do that. And next part, we will do the discretize. Because in the data mining, there is a lot of algorithms limit in some data type. 就是在资料采矿的时候，有一些 attribute 是受限于它的资料形态的。For example， 有一些 some have to be numeric 方法，有一些必须是什么呢 ？categorical 的所以我们要 do the discretization Some techniques can only be performed on categorical data. For example, association rule 关联法则的时候。这个发现就是一定要用这个 association rule. So this requires discretization on numerical continuous attribute. In this case, there are three age, income, children, age, income, children. So we want to transfer it, especially for children. Children we are integer value. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it originally is the numeric. We will just change the data type as type based on the line. 这个可以转形态 as type. We can use the as type. And when you want to make it as a categorical, str 是字串 string. str means string. Then we can directly make the numeric directly to the string. Means categorical value. Okay, and first we use the cut and qcut. Cut, what is cut? Cut means equal width. 就是等距离 equal width cut. For example, the age. The minimum age 是18岁. The maximum age is 67. Then we use the equal width, means 等距离 equal interval, equal interval. And if we use the equal frequency, 那就是百分比哦. So it means when the distribution just like this, and we will cut, make each area are the same. Each area are the same. It means this area and this area and this area are the same. 这叫做 equal frequency. 好，我们来 cut 一下。So the differences is cut and qcut. 这边要特别注意。The differences here is cut and qcut. Q means quantity. 这个是有次数的概念 quantity. 那when we use the cut, the 组数 is beans, 组数 number of goods. And when you use the qcut, we use the Q 就是分级数 It's a little bit different. Now we will start to do that. Okay, first come back to here. So today we will pre-process these three. These three types. The numeric attribute into nominal age， 还有谁呢 ？income and children 这边也是 int 嘛啊，就是 float 小数点的 float and int these three children. And we can see these three attributes have a color. Have color in Python means it's numeric. 有颜色就代表它是 numeric. 有颜色代表 it's numeric. It's colorful in Python data. Correct. 好，那我们就要做 transfer. Okay. First, today we'll demonstrate. Demo ban age cut into 3 parts. Okay. So we can print pandas cut ban age. This is the first parameters, and the second is bin. Bin means how many groups you want to. Bins means how many groups you want to divide it. And remember that value counts means it could count how many instances of each part. Here, it will divide it into 3 parts. 34 to 50, there is 250. And from 70, 这个其实它是从18开始 70 to 34 is totally 195. From 50 to 67 is about 190. This is the count. Okay. So I want you to do that. This is just print. We do not copy yet. So actually, I want to cut. This is to 10. The cutting point and the quantity of each part. This is the check. And this is the replace. The original. 好，我就把 bank age equal， 因为我有个等号 ，because I have the equivalent notation, it means will replace. Okay, I use the pandas.com cut bank age, and I use the beans equal 3, and then this is the first. And the labels. Okay, I want the labels equal. 我们用实际的数字号 ，OK， 我就用整数号18到34，无条件舍去法。First, and the second is 35 to 50. The third part is 51 to 67. Then, why is have something wrong? labels. Comma, right? Okay. So please pay attention to me. Go. Here, then your age will be replaced, right? 你就真的被 replace 掉了哈。我们可以看原来的资料，原来资料在刚刚这边啊，我们有个 bank one 没有 delete 掉，40就是对到这个35到50，对不对？好，对，它就会对到它这个范围里面。OK， 哎，顺序好像不是同一笔资料，看一下。哦，这个是刚刚的影视值。如果你担心，我们就这样子用原始的值，这样就一定不会错。我们用原始值好了。好，最小的值是这个。然后第二个是这个。Copy paste is fine. Then okay. Check. Okay. Okay. This is the first part, or we can directly, I just demonstration. We can use the young adult and 讲老可能不是很好 ，mature 成熟 ，maybe it's more clean to do that. Okay. Then age is processed. Then we will move to the income. Income, we will try to use the Q cut for demonstration. This is to check the Q cut point and the quantity of each part. So, print. Remember, this time is Q cut 不一样哦 ，Q cut H no income， 而且 besides it's not beans, it's Q。Q， 这边 focus Q cut use Q 3，然后这边的是 cut use beans 等于 numbers。这边是 Q 哦 ，OK。Then we want to know how many, so we use the value times. Okay, it will print. So as the income, it will also divide it into 3 parts, but each parts will be equal frequency 就是一样的量。好，那我们就可以看到它切的这个数字 for equal frequency。好，so this is just check 然后如果我用了一个变数等于，就代表 replace。This is the replace the original column. Then income equal pandas Q pot. Then income and the Q equal 3. And the label, this time because it's income, right? I want to be low, medium, and high. Okay. Low, medium, high. Okay, that's cute. Then we will find it. Yes, the income is be replaced, right? And finally, as the children is very easy. We just make it as type. So bank children dot as type str children bank children as type. Yeah, as type directly make it as string. Oh, cannot be that. As type EE type both. So now the children, okay, 你一样要 replace 等于 bank children. So it's replaced. Oh, okay, everything is categorical. So I give the note. 我把最后一个 note 写完哈。Bank children, yes, type str. Transform the numeric value directly into nominal. 就是它变成数字的一变成文字的一。Okay. So this part, please, passed. Everything have to be no color and to print into your Word. Okay. So this part is this three types. Okay, insert. Everything have to be transferred. Yeah. Okay. And save the file. And for your references, and stop the recording now.